back. My name is Tamisha and welcome to my channel. We are going to be making pasta salad today because I don't really feel like heavy cooking because it's hot, but I want something good. But I wanted to just kind of like check in with you guys real quick. If you only came for the recipe, I understand, okay? Just skip ahead. Just please don't leave me. Just watch the video. Just skip ahead. I don't mind you doing that. Just stay a little bit. But if you've been on my channel for a while, I just wanted to kind of give a quick little update and just say, yeah, so I do want to apologize. You guys, you're in the cabinet right now. I don't have any clue where my tripod is. Please excuse me. I did order one because I am back home at my mom's, and I'm gonna be here for a while because life has been really been lifing lately, and I am my mother's caregiver now, and so because of that, and for the past 4 years, you guys know, I told you I've been flying. I've worked for a major airline, so I've been a flight attendant, and that's why I haven't been filming. But now I'm not doing that, and I'm home, and being home, and my mom home equals cook. Cooking. I feel like cooking again. I actually feel like being in the kitchen again. So that's where we're at. So I appreciate you guys for continuing to rock with me, and if life permits, I will film some more, and I will have a better setup next time than this. But all right, let's jump right into this pasta salad. All right, guys. Here's everything that I'm going to be using for my pasta salad today. I just have some tomatoes. Use whichever kind of tomatoes you like. These are on sale and they look good. So some cheese, gotta have that. Of course, pasta. Use whichever pasta you like. This looks like a fun shape, so it grabs my attention. I'm gonna be using some green and black olives. And I have a bell pepper as well. My mom had these shrimp in the freezer, so I'm going to cut these up and put them in there also. And I do have chicken breast as well, but I gotta pull that out. This is gonna be the dressing I'm using. This is the Great Value version of the Olive Garden restaurant style Italian dressing. This is really good. I'm going to use some cucumbers. I'll probably use, I'm not making a huge pasta salad, so I'll probably use maybe like 2 or 3 of these mini cucumbers. And then my aunt told me about this. Have you guys ever used this Salad Supreme? I've never used it in my pasta salads before. At least I don't think I have. I feel like I'm just now using this, but I tried it maybe last month sometime, and I like it, so I'm going to season up with this as well. All right, so in our pan, I'm just sauteing off my chicken breast. I have 3 thinly sliced chicken breasts, and it's just seasoned. I'm using this today. Season it however you like, and just some olive oil. So I'm going to get that cooked all the way through, and then we're going to chop that up for our pasta salad. I'm using chicken breast today. You can use rotisserie chicken and just shred it off of the bone. You can use pepperoni. Of course, I'm also using shrimp as well. Use whatever you like for your pasta salad. I am waiting for my water to boil so we can get our pasta going. Okay, so I have my tomatoes and my cucumbers chopped up. My tomatoes and my yellow bell pepper chopped up. I'm going to go ahead and chop up these cucumbers. I feel like 3 should be more than enough. If I need to add more, I will. I got a whole bag of them. But I'm just going to slice them. Let me move this out the way so y'all can see. I'm just going to slice them down the middle. And then just give them a little chop and take the ends off. And just give them a little chop like that. Because I want the pieces to be able to fit on the fork. Quick, I just wanted to say these tomatoes are very good. These are the Flavor Bomb. I got them from Food Lion, but All of our veggies are chopped. I think I have more than enough. They're nice and fork size. My water is boiling, so I'm gonna go ahead and add in our pasta. Now, I think I'm gonna start with half a box. Should be more than enough. Actually, my son, my 24-year-old, can tear up some pasta salad, so let me just go ahead and cook the whole box. It has been drained, and it's time to assemble everything. I am using a bowl that's big enough to mix everything together. You will need something wide enough and deep enough to start mixing your pasta salad. And we are just going to go ahead and start assembling everything. Now, what I think I'm going to do to start off with is I want to actually season my pasta with the salad supreme first, because as much as I like this, I feel like if you use too much of it, it gets a bit overwhelming. So I'm only going to season the pasta with it and then start layering everything else. So just a little bit for me, but if you like it, go heavy. Go heavy on it if you like it. And it's very flavorful. Okay, I just want to have enough just to coat all of our pasta. Okay. And let's start adding everything into the bowl. So we're going to add in our green olives. I only use half a jar, but you can use the whole jar if you want to. I'm adding in my black olives. And then we're going to start adding in our tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. Now you can also add in your red onion, which I generally do, but I just didn't feel like chopping one up today. So let's go and give this a good toss real quick. I'm going to use today as already cubed sharp cheddar cheese, and I'm just going to use the whole bag and just get that in there. If you have a block of cheese and you want to go ahead and just cube it up yourself, if you want to add more cheese, do that as well. This also will be really good with like mozzarella balls too, but I'm just using what I have today. I just added in the chicken and the shrimp. I'm going to give that a good toss as well. And like I said, use whatever you like. I'm using the already cooked jumbo shrimp and chicken breast, but make your pasta salad however you want. And you see why we use this big boy bowl? Because this makes a lot. I'm using the entire bottle because this is a lot of pasta salad. You can use more or less if you like. You also can season your pasta salad, salt, pepper, oregano, Italian seasoning. I actually don't, because I feel like this has everything you need in it. But to your taste, season it if you like, and then just mix. And this is it, guys. It is so good, like just full of veggies and chicken and all kind of yumminess. So I will tell you, this is even better if you let it refrigerate for a while. It's much better cold. But I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna eat some now. And my mom actually has an appetite tonight, so she already told me she was waiting for it. So I'm gonna make her a bowl as well. And I hope you guys give it a try. It's very good. And thank you so much for tuning in. Like I said, next video, it'll be a production. It won't, but next video I will be more camera ready. But I just appreciate you guys continuing to support my channel, and I hope to see you soon. All right, be blessed. Take care. Bye. Want a bite? You want a bite? Bye, y'all.